News now from Punjab, and with slight improvement in the power supply situation, Chief Minister Captain Amarinder Singh announced the relaxations on the restrictions on industry that had been imposed since the 4th of July. All restrictions have been lifted and the industry can operate as routine, is what the Chief Minister said. Now, the rain brought the demand down to 8,500 megawatts against 13,000 megawatts till recently. The Power Corporation had ordered restrictions on industrial consumers of the state in order to provide continuous power supply to domestic consumers and 8 hours power supply to the agricultural sector for paddy operations. Well, let's go across to Ghazali now for more. And Ghazali, this power situation had become extremely controversial and political, but now some relief.
Yeah, certainly. With the first spell of monsoon showers in Punjab, the Chief Minister ordered this yesterday that all restrictions will have to be lifted from the industries which were being forced to go for a weekend shutdown till 14th and 15th of July. But there were massive protests by industrialists, particularly in Ludhiana district, which is the hub of industries in Punjab, after which yesterday the Chief Minister ordered this, saying that all restrictions should be lifted. Now, this has political connotations as well. Yesterday, the UP Chief Minister had invited some industrialists from Punjab, and they felt very satisfied with the offers being made in UP. The UP Chief Minister also offered safety and cheap power without any interruptions. So that is something which even the Punjab Chief Minister was having in mind. As protests were going on, opposition has mounted attack on the government for not reviewing the power purchase agreements, which is being blamed for the power outage in Punjab as of now. But with first spell of showers, now it is expected that the power demand will go down. The reservoirs from where the hydel power plants are running will also get ample supply of water. So this demand and supply gap can be met with in the next coming days. That is why the industries which were protesting for forced power shutdown or load shedding for the last couple of weeks have now been allowed to function properly. But the orders again came out for the the government offices where the timings were curtailed. That will continue, and it has also been mentioned in the notification that the government offices will continue to work from 8 AM to 2 PM and will not be allowed to use air conditioners.